Hi there. The number one way is to grow in a life is to learn how to communicate your message effectively. Be it communicating with your teammates on a project or having an impactful conversation with your seniors, colleagues, or a meaningful conversation with your child, friends, or spouse. Hi there, my name is Rakesh and I am a founder of LPWC Learn Peers with Cheers campaign, where I have trained more than 15,000 individuals across the country in this COVID pandemic. Dear friend, I am an eminent writer of 9 books, a public speaker, and a successful poet. I have written more than 215 poems in English as well as in Hindi also. Here today, I am going to assure you with a communication skill. I have been imparting communication skills training for last 5 years, where I have taught numerous number of students across the country. Today, I am here with one great message, with one great platform for you all, where you can sharpen your communication skill, where you can be a mentor, where you can be a leader, where you can get that opportunity. From there, you can sharpen your skill, you can make your value, you can increase your selling price so that everybody wants to listen your voice, everybody wants to listen you a lot and a lot. So if you want to be good communicator, if you want to be good leader, if you want to be good guide, so hurry up, join our LPWC, where you will need to just only invest very less amount of money, but you will get maximum benefit from there. So there is a very huge benefit with having a very less investment, so that you can complete your dreams, so that you can make your dreams comes true. So ladies and gentlemen, don't delay, don't wait for right time, make this time right and try to join with LPWC, because LPWC is known as a most loving campaign nowadays in this COVID-19 which is going in our India. So if you want to enroll yourself with an LPWC course, so must you can find, definitely you are looking the link around somewhere around this video, just go for there, click on it and enroll yourself with an exclusive course where you can learn many skills like communication skill like leadership quality, interview preparation, how to just start your conversation effectively and how to groom your personality, how to build your confidence. So you will get many number of things from there. Just enroll first, check the quality and get the quality. We are not imparting quantity only here, we are imparting the quality here, so that you can groom your personality, you can be a leader, you can be a team leader, and you can be a great orator as well as a speaker, so that public want to listen you, so that number of people want to hear you, listen you, so that they want to follow you. You don't need to follow them. Be a leader, don't be a follower. It's a right time to decide about your future. If you want to go ahead with the positivity, if you want to go ahead with that skill where you can be a leader, so must join LPWC, because with a very less investment, as I told you already, with having only the investment of rupees 300. Yes, mark my words, only 300 rupees you need to invest there, then definitely you will definitely get a number of things from the LPWC which will help you to sharpen your skill, which will help you to increase your value. Definitely you will be known as a good orator, good speaker, good communicator, and definitely public want to listen you, definitely public want to follow you. So don't delay. Come and join, enroll yourself with an exclusive course of LPWC, where you will feel very awesome, because the name of campaign also suggests Learn Peers with Cheers campaign, where you don't need to get confused, because here you have a good motivator, here you have a good trainer, here you have a good guide as well as a good teacher who will communicate you definitely in a bright way, in a broad way, in a perfect way, in a systematical way. You don't need to just get confused for your future, because LPWC team has come with a great initiative where you can make your value, where you can increase your selling price so that you can be a good speaker. So we are going to start our new batch from 1st of December 2020 onwards. So don't delay, come and join, register yourself and keep one thing in your mind, we have limited seat. So let's finish this year with a great learning. So we can be great, our nation can be great, and definitely our dreams will be completed. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.